Hi everyone, how are you guys today? I'm Dr. Jacobs coming from Ooh La La Spa, Anti-Aging and Wellness, and fall is on its way. I'm not ready for it. I don't know if you guys are ready for it. Some people love the cold, I do not. I do love the leaves, so I'll give fall a little bit of a chance, but then I know winter's coming, and I don't want winter. But what we thought we would talk about since fall is coming is that all that sun damage that some of you may have gotten over the summer, now's really the time to start thinking about it because we really need to correct all of that sun damage, correct the brown spots, the dryness, all the stuff that happens when we're outside all the time. We have several different options to correct, and that's what we want to talk about today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with our Even Up Serum. And, sorry, I'm going to make you come back. And it is, I'm going to call it like a version of our regular Even Up. And we're going to talk about the differences. Actually, so I'm going to start with the serum, but I'm going to start with the other because the other came first. So this is our Even Up Clinical Perfecting Pigment Perfector. And this is by far one of my favorite products. And the reason it is, and the reason why it's so important to use this all year long, not just starting in the fall, but all year long, is that it has a little bit of color. So you get instant gratification. Actually, I can show you the instant gratification on my other hand because I have this awful little age spot there. So we're going to show you how it covers that up beautifully. So it just evens everything out. It's going to protect your skin as an SPF 50, so it's a physical block. There are no harmful chemicals. It really is a nice product to put on to protect. Again, instant gratification, but it's treating brown spots. The ingredients in here actually work on what we call our hyperpigmentation pathway. It works on it in 4 different ways. So it's treating brown spots, it's preventing more brown spots from coming, and it gives you the color that you need to, again, get that instant gratification. This is a product that, like, I can't live without. I love, 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 love this product. So now I'm going to go to the serum because what they did, because not everybody really wants, it's a little bit of a thicker product, and you can see how fair-skinned I am. Anybody can use this color. Anybody can use this product, but there's still some people that, you know, just don't really wear makeup per se. So they came out with, and I say they, it's color science, they came out with the Even Up Serum. And what we love about the serum, it has all the great ingredients that the Even Up, my goodness gracious, Pigment Corrector, Perfector Corrector, something like that. Has all the great ingredients except it doesn't have the SPF in it. And so it's a nice hydrating product.
I could hear us, I'm sorry.
So you rub that in, and it really feels amazing on the skin. So something that if you are like a huge fan of Even Up that I am, you could use Even Up in the daytime and then do the serum in the nighttime. And so then you're getting the great protection and correction both morning and evening. So no SPF in this one, which is why you can use it in the morning, but you have to put an SPF on top of it. But if not, you can just use this in the evening. So for those who, you know, just aren't totally on board with the Even Up color, which, I mean, look at it, just, you can see the difference. It looks amazing, but don't really necessarily want that color. This is a perfect option. Now, let's dive a little bit deeper and talk about our Skin Medicas like Terra 2.0. So I mentioned that our Even Up works on the pathway in 4 different ways. This works on the pathway 5 different ways. So it gives a little bit extra boost. So it doesn't have any SPF and it doesn't have any color to it. Same kind of thing. If I can get it to come out, must be a new bottle. Come on. Well, there we go. I was like, it looks a lot like the Even Up Serum, but, and it goes on actually very similarly too. I make sure that I put this on the backs of my hands as well because, like I said, I have this yucky age spot. But this is going to treat your brown spots. So your brown spots are going to get a lot better over time when you use this. A lot of people ask, like, can you use this in the summertime? Yes. can use in the wintertime? Yes, there's no retin-A in it at all. You still need a sunscreen on top of whatever you're going to put on, but this is a great product to use all year long, along with our other two products. So something Steph had asked me is, well, how, do we need all of these? Yeah. I mean, you don't have to, but if you have a lot of brown spots, you're going to get so much benefit from using all three of these. And then adding to that story is doing reapplication every couple of hours with this unforgettable brush. So this isn't technically treating brown spots, but what it's doing is protecting you from the sun. And this is protecting you from your blue light, which is causing blue light, meaning your phones, your iPads, your computers. That's what's causing brown spots as well. So you need this, what we call total protection. Protects against the environment, protects against blue light, infrared, and of course UVA, UVB. So this is an extremely important product. And if there's one product and you're just like, ugh, I don't want to do all that, you just want one product, it's not going to treat your brown spots, but it's definitely going to help to prevent further and protect your skin. So those are the products that I would recommend. And we always say start with skincare, and you treat your skincare like you brush your teeth. You need to brush your teeth to keep those cavities away. So we want to use your skincare every single day, both morning and evening, to keep those brown spots from getting worse and from forming, from the beginning. So if you want more information about the products, I have a whole chapter in my little book here, Live Life Beautifully with a Little Help. And it talks about these products in detail, but also talks about our growth factors and all the other products that you can use. So products are your at-home treatment, and then you come in to see us for your in-house treatment, so your office treatments. Your office treatments include Limelight is our IPL, and what that does is it brings those brown spots to the surface and then breaks them down. We have microneedling. We love microneedling when it comes to treating brown spots because also it breaks it all down, breaks those brown spots just right up. We have our Secret RF, which can help with brown spots. That's a microneedling and radio frequency treatment. We typically will recommend that one for anybody that wants to tighten up their skin, stimulate that collagen, but it also does help with breaking down the brown spots. Chemical peels help to break down brown spots, and our pearl laser. So we're getting into pearl season. I don't know that you can see these photos 100% when you're looking at the book, but we're getting into pearl season, and what pearl season means is that you do this laser. It's the down and dirty. So it's going to stimulate collagen. It's going to break down all those brown spots. It's going to tighten up the skin and help with the tone, the texture, the color of the skin. And you have some downtime with it. So we don't recommend this during the summertime. We want you to do this in the wintertime. So now is the time to start planning for your pearl. That one is usually a once a year kind of thing. It's going to just skin resurface. It's just taking all that damage off your skin and again stimulating that collagen. So as you can see, there are several products, but there are also several treatments. Doing a combination of both, or of several, or both, or two, or five, I don't know. Doing a combination, we'll say, will definitely get you better results. And we all know that when we look better, we feel better, we can face the world better, and you just feel good walking out of your house, and that's really what we're all about. We want you to feel comfortable and feel happy with what your skin looks like. We want healthy skin. So if you would like to come visit us, we would love to see you. Give our office a call at 618-288-9117. Thanks so much.